Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to turn off your active status on Messenger. If you want to appear offline so people don't know when you are online or when you are less active, this tutorial is perfect for you. So grab your phone and let's get started. First, let's open the Messenger app on your smartphone. Now, look 3 horizontal lines at the bottom of your screen. Or you can see menu options. Tap on it. Now, tap on settings menu. This will open the settings menu for your Messenger account. Next, find the options label active status. It's usually near the middle of the list. Tap on active status and you will be taken to a new screen. Here, you will see a toggle switch that says "Show when you are active." By default, this option is turned on. This means your friends can see when you are active or recently active on Messenger. To turn it off, simply tap the toggle switch. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. It will say something, "Pause active status." Select how long you want to pause active status. Until I change it for 1 hour, for 8 hours, or until 8 p.m. Or you can custom. I choose on until I change it. Now tap on pause. And that's it. You've successfully turned off your active status. Now your friends won't know when you are online or when you last use Messenger. So I think that's enough. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our easy to follow tech guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.